Good afternoon, and welcome to what is a rather unusual and hastily put together final assembly due to circumstances well beyond our control. And hopefully it won't be too long before we do meet again. But it was only right today that we did take the opportunity to say goodbye and end the term properly. So don't be worried. I know it sounds scary and everything out there is crazy and we don't really know what's going on, but please don't be worried, okay? You will be okay as a group, as an individual, okay? But remember to support people around you when you go home. Do what you're asked to do, because it will mean that we can all get on with our lives a lot quicker. Don't be worried. I know it sounds scary and everything out there is crazy and we don't really know what's going on, but please don't be worried, okay? You will be okay as a group, as an individual, okay? But remember to support people around you when you go home. Do what you're asked to do, because it will mean that we can all get on with our lives a lot quicker. Upset for you that you've been robbed maybe of some experiences that you might have come across in the next term or so. We will, if possible, run the prom for you, okay, if we can. We will try our hardest to make that happen so that you can have that, if nothing else. I would say, I am disappointed for you. I know this might be crazy, Declan, or think I'm nuts, that you haven't got the opportunity to test yourself in the exams, because some of you worked so hard that you deserve that opportunity. But we will do, as I said the other day, everything we can to make sure you get what you deserve, because you do deserve it. And don't let people try and take away from you your achievements, because they have been remarkable, some of you. So I would like to give you a big round of applause, year 10 and 13, for how hard you worked. They're year 11. Thank the staff for all their hard work. They've spent a lot of time training themselves on computers in the last few days and weeks to get ready for Monday. For all of you lot that are not exam classes, don't forget, you will have work posted first thing Monday morning. We're there bright and early, ready for you to get on with. So make sure you log in. I'll be emailing your parents after this to explain to them how to check that you're doing what you should be doing. I think we just need to take a moment as a community to be proud of what we do well and the experiences we have, and we shouldn't ever lose that. And I do have a group of boys now that would like to come up and read a poem.
Right, because we think we're just grateful how much you inspired us and that, and been through us in the past few months. You really pushed us forward, and now we're hopefully all going to come out with great results from that. You know this poem means a lot to you, and therefore we've chosen to read it because you mean a lot to us, and that's all I say. Thank you.
The poem's called Armada. Long, long ago, when everything was told that was believable, and the little I knew was the less limited than now, I stretched belly head down on the grass beside the pond, and too far bank launched a child's armada.
A broken fortress of twigs, the paper tissue cells of gallons, the waterlogged branches of submarines all came to ruin and were on a flame in that dusk-red pond.
And your mother stood behind me, impatient to be going, old at 23, alone, thin overcoat flapping.
How closely the past shadows us. In a hospital a mile or so from the pond, I kneel beside your bed and, closing my eyes, reach out across 40 years to touch once more that pond's cool surface.
And it is your cool skin I'm touching. Whereas on the pond, a child's paper boat was blown out of reach by the smallest gust of wind, so too have you been a blow out of reach by the smallest whisper of death. And a childhood memory is sharpened, and the heart burns as that armada burnt long, long ago.
Now if you do sports studies at A level, part of what you've got to do, you've got to get filmed. And often it's a little bit of editing, because obviously if you do something bad, it's like cut, we'll do that again. Well, on Wednesday, obviously we had to film Rory because he was doing rugby. Now, Rory is a winger, so if you don't know much about rugby, that's often like the person that is quite good at getting the ball and beating people with a bit of footwork and speed. There's a lot of cuts, several times. So we thought, well, we'll change the defender. We'll bring Harry on. Harry's a forward, and probably Rory will beat Harry for a bit of speed. So Rory decides to go off on a run, and Harry was sort of jogging across the pitch. Next thing, this arm comes out like Iron Man or Hulk Hogan's forearm. Hit Rory across the chest. We had to edit that as well. There was a lot of swearing, a lot of laughing. Rory, don't touch the code. Again, we were at the beach. And we said to the boys, well, and the girls, before we got on the beach, said, do not get wet, because when you get wet, you will get cold, and obviously you might get sandy, and you might get a bit of chafing. One thought, I'll ignore that advice, as did Arda, and they got very wet, very cold. But one managed to lose his shoes in a lump of clay, but he couldn't find them. I spent the next 30 minutes digging through this clay, trying to find them. Miss Anders was sort of looking over his shoulder, making sure he was okay. Somebody comes walking along. He's going to go help him. He said, Juan, you've been very nasty to me today. That's karma. One did manage to find his shoes, which he sort of was carrying like this, encrusted in clay, and then demanded that I find him a solution. So, yeah, put them back on your feet. And he wasn't having that. Now, if he was here, I wouldn't give him a Coke, I'd give a Coke to, there was Marta, I don't know what he said to you, and Carla. Because I look over my shoulder, and next thing, one is stood there like this, looking like the King of Spain, while Carla and Marta are frantically on their knees. I am seeking marriage guidance from one. So you can come and touch the camera. A dour note, so I've asked some of our performers from the other night to send us off with some fond memories and some songs, so please enjoy.
This is The Chain by Fleetwood Mac. Please sing along if you know the song at all. Ready?
For being brave, and I only asked them to do that at break time today, so thank you very much. And I just want to say, remember the good things and the things that we have done, and hopefully we'll see all of you very, very soon. Enjoy your rest, and we look forward to getting you back as soon as possible, and stay safe. Thank you.